Today I'm looking at this Allen wrench set. And what makes these a little different than a lot of your standard Allen wrenches is they have the end that allows it to go into your fitting, but have a little bit of play. This end is still solid like a traditional Allen wrench. The other end is the same size, but because it's designed like this, when you put it into the fitting, you actually have a little bit of play. So if you're not getting on it straight on, it'll still lock up and lock in there and work great. This is a nice set. This holder's great. It's nice and rubbery, so it really holds them. And you have a pretty good variety. Let's see, it goes from 1.5 all the way up to 10. So a pretty good size set there. It's going to cover a huge range of products. Build quality, probably easiest to show you on the big one, which you can see right there. Nice heavy steel, good grip on it. I like the color, it gives a little bit extra little character. But yeah, overall, if you're using Allen wrenches all the time and you just need a metric set, then this set looks like a pretty good set to me. I'm going to put these to the use, of course, and test them out really good, but I don't see anything wrong with them. I really like the fact that they have this swivel type head on them. These do come in very handy in lots of situations where you're trying to get down on that fitting, but you can't get down straight. Maybe you can get down at a slight angle. That's what this allows you to do, get in there and still make that turn and get that piece either out or tightened up. So there you go. Now, like I said, these guys here are nice enough, or were nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review, and I really appreciate that. I want to thank them. It's a really nice set. Got a little bit of information here for you. If you're interested in reading that, of course you can. But if you're looking for a set of Allen wrenches in the metric sizes, then this is definitely a well worth set to check out. I want to thank them for sending them out to me so I could show you a little bit about them and what's in the package. And if you click that order button, now you know what you're going to get. And there you go. So I hope this video helps you out.